Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the CS editor in Squarespace. This powerful feature allows you to customize the appearance of your website beyond the standard design options, giving you complete control over fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your Squarespace websites. Simply click on the website where you want to use the CS editor. This will take you to that specific site's management area. Now that you're viewing your website, move your cursor over to the preview of your site and click Edit Pages. This action opens up the page editor, which is where you'll access the CSS customization tools. On the left side menu, you'll see various options for managing your site's content and design. From that left side menu, click on Custom Code. This section is specifically designed for users who want to add their own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to their Squarespace site. Next, click on Custom CSS. You might see a notification that says, with custom code modifications, functionality, or full compatibility with Squarespace is not guaranteed. This is just a standard warning to let you know that custom code might affect how certain features work, but for most CSS changes, you'll be perfectly fine. Once inside the CSS editor, you'll notice a few options at the top. You can click Open in New Window if you prefer working in a larger, separate window, which can be helpful when writing longer code. There's also a Custom Files option where you can upload images or fonts if you need them for your customizations. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using the CSS editor to customize text. Let's start with a simple example. Type P, open curly bracket, close curly bracket into the editor. The P targets all paragraph text on your site, and the curly brackets are where we'll place our CSS properties. Inside these brackets, we can input various CSS codes to change how our text looks. Let's try adjusting the font size first. Type font-size: 18px. This sets all paragraph text to 18 pixels in size. Next, for the font weight, input font-weight: bold, which makes the text thicker and more prominent. Then add font-style: italic, to make the text slanted. For color, type color: red, This changes all paragraph text to red, though you could use any color name or hex code here. To center the text, add text-align: center, Finally, let's add an underline with text-decoration: underline, Each of these properties works together to completely transform how your paragraph text appears. After entering all your CSS code, click Save at the top of the editor. Give it a moment to process and apply your changes across the site. You should now see your customizations reflected in the preview. And that's it. You now know how to access and use the CSS editor in Squarespace, and you can customize or input your own CSS code to edit elements and blocks throughout your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.